could have gone.
Blinker. Make a right at the red light.
Wait, so it's not right, sir. The real one.
Drive slow. Yeah. Here it is. That's the stands.
There are so many people
See
here.
the stands?
They have
Those are the
a game
stands where
today?
people sit.
We've been there before.
Why does it say Ogden Lobsters?
Ogden Reds. So the red.
Ogden Dodgers?
Let's do a circle around
Are they
them.
having a game today?
Yeah.
Or West Field? Yeah,
Ogden Reds.
Hey, we haven't been here yet. Oh, wait, we have.
Moving out. Make a left up there. There's the stands. I saw him.
Huh?
No, nobody was empty.
Going to left?
Yeah.
Left or right?
Left.
No.
Look in here.
Hey,
There's,
look, it's a gold car.
there's the lights. Ogden
The
Reds.
stadium?
There you go.
Up there in the road.
I get the phone to get the directions. Hey, look, it's the foul pole.
Yep, we're good.
We go straight in there.
They did a poor job on that. They got the stadium so hidden. You can't see the stadium. It's ridiculous. Follow the bus.
RG, close that. RG, no good to the ear.
That's
Equalize it.
I can just be there. Okay, it's a little bit windy. But I'll survive.
RG, nang close RG. Wait.
Okay.
Let's open an inch.
There you go.
Hey, get a navigation, daddy. RG, the phone.
Where's your phone?
We go to the car
Give
wash.
me your phone.
Go, RG.
I don't have a phone.
I'm trying to get it.
Okay, so I'll use
RG, nang no good at the ear. RG, you not this
It's
it.
better.
Nang,
If I put my head there,
I don't do that.
nang no good at RG.
it's okay.
I'm looking at signs. Slow down.
What?
This is going to intersect with Rivendell.
This is 36.
It's Costco. It's Costco. It's the best store that I've never been to, and it's an American French that's made out of rocks. Where's your phone? Hey, it's Dillard's.
RG, you not listen, RG. Tinang the noise.
It's okay.
It's no good to my ear.
Sorry, sorry. Don't get to me either.
I just put my head there.
Look for it.
You not listen.
Let's make it right.
Oh no, it's right.
I left this here.
No, right.
Take it
Alright.
right. My phone.
There's only a minute. Let's just have because of that.
Daddy, I'll get it. Trust me.
Yeah.
Okay. What? Ooh. I got it, Dad. Trust me. Mommy, you trust me, right?
Go, RG, pagdali, RG. Oh, there's the, oh, look at this.
What?
I gave him the card.
What that is?
Look at that, what's name there, RG?
That's it. The sales guy. The service guy. Perez.
No, the
So
name
it
of the
says-
car was?
One. I gave him the
Look, I
card.
can go. So it's
I'm ahead of you. I gave it to him.
Okay, I'm starting it. Ah. You're just gonna follow this road, okay?
Si RG.
Hey, it's Toyota. It's okay.
RG, nang close that door, RG, you not listen.
There's the Honda dealer.
No, I don't think so. Hey, it's McDonald's. Hey, it's Honda. Look, it's Honda, Daddy. Say bye to Honda. That's what we end.
Stop. There's some brand new
How do you do
GMCs.
this? What's that noise? Hey, you want to go to Barnes and Nobles?
No,
Why not?
you don't read.
You don't want to pass by it?
It's out of the way, no.
I don't care. So, we're gonna keep continuing this road. Just like keep. Hey, it's Best Buy. Best Buy that we walked to. We can go.
Yeah, I can
Keep
go.
going straight.
We go straight.
Keep going straight.
To like that third road in the back.
Keep going straight. Go past this light.
Slow down. Okay, go. Look for the red light. Go straight across when the time's green.
Keep going straight.
Here it is, take and go.
Oh, there it is. Tag and go.
But you gotta
But
go
you have to
straight.
keep going straight. Got the 2 points right here. Vacuums included.
We're not gonna vacuum.
Yeah, vacuum. This is so dusty.
Okay, you vacuum.
Of course we are gonna vacuum.
Yeah, I vacuum.
You wanna go bowling?
No,
Why not?
because I'm hurting.
Good. Yeah. Hey, look at that Camaro.
Nice Camaro. White.
That's why I call the camera phone. You call it that.
Look at that Camaro. Hey, it's a bird. No, it's coming. Close the window. Or does the window close faster? The bird almost came in here.
Are you scared in the bird? Did not bite you?
Yo,
Straight
bird.
across.
So you're gonna like
Right there?
No, down. That car's coming out.
that
Oh,
car-
nice. That flag. I want to take picture of that flag.
What flag do you want to take this? You can't see it.
Because I put on my TikTok.
You're gonna put that.
Oh,
up
there
here.
he is.
What?
Go pull up to a vacuum.
Vacuum.
There's the vacuums.
Yeah, but
We holding the cord.
we go there first.